I'm Tim Barkley with Charleston Home and Design Magazine and talking about a home show on the radio. We're here at the Charleston Home and Design Show at the Gilead Auditorium talking with Russ Pritchard with the Audio Warehouse. How you doing, Russ?
Great, Tim. How are you?
I'm doing good. You just got out of the presenting a seminar to a packed room of Charleston area architects. How did that go?
It went very well. We had a room full of architects, and we covered some of the latest technology, and I think everybody enjoyed it. And happy to see you got a packed show here. It's doing very well today. Congratulations.
Well, thank you. You always do a great job. Every home show we have, you present the first seminar, our lunch seminar of the architects. I always get very high ratings from the architects. So again, thank you very much for being a part of the Architect Symposium and the show in general.
That's good.
So tell us briefly about the Audio Warehouse.
Well, the Audio Warehouse, we've been around for just over 25 years. We started out in the stereo business, and through the years have evolved as video and other technologies have come into play. And today, we are known as integrators or systems contractors. We cover everything from distributed audio, home theater, as you would suspect, to security systems, IP surveillance systems with cameras, with remote access. We get into home automation with lighting control, motorized shades, energy management, of course, ties into all of these efforts. And we have now just recently updated some of our offerings to really be a strong offering in network support. As more and more IP devices come into the home, we're finding that we have to be computer experts, to say it simply, and in order to support those devices and our clients and what the lifestyle is now bringing into the home. And that's a good transition to really kind of talk about our name. As you can see, we're branding a name of Connected Lifestyle Engineering by Audio Warehouse, which the mission there is really to try to migrate to a name that better represents what we're doing for our clients.
Well, tell us about what you have on display here at the Charleston Home and Design Show.
Well, we've got several things. Now, I'll start with first, one of the things we're doing is, just with the trends of this year, we're seeing more and more people doing remodeling and retrofit, upfitting the systems that they've had. We've got a lot of clients that bought systems from us 20 years ago that are now redoing the family room to put in HD TV and surround sound. So what we're offering here are some starter packages for basically the most popular disciplines that we see people doing today, from consolidating remotes down to one, whole house wireless internet coverage, lighting control, and motorized shades. Of course, those all tie into reducing energy and costs. Now, in addition to that, we're showing a family of products from Lutron. They're low voltage shade systems that you can retro or put in at new construction. Got a huge selection of fabrics, so it's easy to tie it into the decor, or you can do blackout shades if you're trying to get ultimate darkness. We're showing some of our lighting control, motorized drapes in those systems, and then as we move down the line, we get into our fabric selections that we use in the curtains and drapes, and then we also have a lot of examples of the work we've done. We're showing people how our process is a little more unique. We get into the system with the architect's plans, and we actually design our own set of pages that go within the plans for all the low voltage drawings that show all the placement of speakers and controls, that just better organizes the process as you go through the home building process, and it helps everybody understand what they're getting and think through all the impacts that come into play. You can see, we kind of dress the place out with a lot of photos of work we've done that serve to give clients examples of different ideas and things they can do. And again, down here, we're showing more control products. Again, there's the hot trend right now is everybody's becoming green friendly. We're looking at occupancy sensors and timed events on lighting, which ties into the lighting control. Again, it all helps reduce energy and manage the home smarter.
Good deal. Well, tell everyone how to get in touch with you at the Audio Warehouse.
Well, you can call us at 843-571-0535 and speak to someone directly by phone. You can go to our website, which is www.theaudiowarehouse.com. And there's one thing about our website that's kind of interesting is we've taken a different path than most people with their website. We've actually put the floor plan of a house, and it's an electronic tour. So people that are thinking about what they can do to their house in terms of upfitting technology, or if they're building a house, they can mouse over the rooms in the house, and it pops up technology and little information explanations as far as what those technologies are and how they benefit their lifestyle. and it's a good way for people to kind of catch up on technology for the whole house. And of course, you can contact us through that as well.
Super. We've been talking with Russ Pritchard with the Audio Warehouse here at the Charleston Home and Design Show, Gilead Auditorium in downtown Charleston. Thank you, Russ.
Thank you, Tim.